everyone, welcome back to Sane Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the Real Housewife of Durban Reunion uyawazi umlilo we-Big Nazi iwona ke lo besubuka kuleya show on Wednesday. I doubt guys ukuthi sizoba nayo isizini elandelayo the way izinto zibe mapeketwane ngakhona. The show was full of toxicity from the beginning, which resulted to many friendships break up. So Risha not getting along with Unonku, says what umblockile nokumblocker on all social media platforms. Lee not getting along with Unonku and choosing Unjojo over Umaria. It was just a mess, you guys, leaving fans with a lot of questions, which most were answered beside Lawa Abibuzwa Usane. Yay, guys, also someone left them asking themselves a lot of questions. Some questioning her mental health state. Ngoba, wow. Also, the guys have been denying everything. Why show and generally comment ayenza ngo N nobukhala bakuthe asayikhumbula nokukhumbula yena leyo nto wathi ayidlalwe iyadlala na. She was shocked like all of us. Guys, Usane was also requested by the presenter to apologize in public to uLondi London ngendlela amtreater ngakhona. Usane chose to apologize ngendlela evele yadina abantu kakhulu. Abanye bembiza ngosathane uqobethi nje she is evil or unenkinga lapha ekhanda lakhe phakathi. She must not come back kwi-season elandelayo if ikhona. Kwathiwa ke futhi akaxolise na ku-N for saying she slept her way up to be where she is today. Nakhona guys uthe nje ayabona ke nje Usane guys hayibo hi that woman shame angifunqa mamanga. I was so shocked myself, but nakhona akwazanga uapologize ku-N ngayo into ayisho nje kuyena wathi vele ngiyazi ukuthi angeke azangixolele. Enye guys idrama ebekhona laphana ekanonku who revealed shocking information about her relationship naleya boyfriend yakhe yayimthengele imoto imthengele imbali ebizwa ngo-RD. Utheke they are no longer together, ngathi khona owascam omunye imali omunye wabopha omunye into nje ethi ayibe njalo. She also explained ukuthi ke yini imabusi vibe. Wathi uyitwista kancane ke wathi uyitwista kancane kwawukuthi ke ayicha ipresenter ayivumi kahle ethi hayibo sisi khuluma iqiniso ukuthi yini imabusi vibe. Ababukeli guys also shared their observation indaba yokuthi engazuthi ipresenter ichemile noma mhlambe ifumbathisiwe oSorisha ngapha ngoba cha bandle bengabagrillist dalo ngembuzo, but makuya koJojo noNonku ubemuka nabo uthule. But guys, we still have the next episode or the final episode yayo ishow next week. We are hoping ukuthi we'll see the other side noma sizombona grilla the other side yabo Sorisha no Slee sesobona khona guys ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. That bring us to the end of this video. Full episode, please check the link on the comment section or Facebook link on the comment section, because we are not allowed ukufaka ama episode here on YouTube. If you do that, they will block your channel because of our copyright issues. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.